Here I have 2 breadfruit, and I'm going to show you how you can roast it on your stovetop. So I will go ahead and remove the stem from the breadfruit. So after removing the stem, I am going to make an X at the bottom of the breadfruit. Normally in Jamaica, when we do this, we would put our breadfruit in the sun for it to drain, and when the sun penetrates through the breadfruit, when you roast your breadfruit, it makes it nicer. Now I will turn the stove on and I will allow my breadfruit to roast. Here comes the intro, guys.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious.
And I'm going to test the breadfruit to see if it is cooked. So I'm going in with my knife. And once the knife comes out clean like this, then you know that the breadfruit is cooked. See?
Whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
I'm going to remove the heart from the breadfruit. Look how pretty this breadfruit is looking, guys, and it is halfway turned, so now it is even going to be nicer with my saltfish. Please check out my second channel, How to Eat BLS. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you so much.